Hello everyone, this is Pavan Chintakuri. Um, Without any delay, I just want to tell this is regarding Roc8 Careers, a platform where you can apply for a front-end developer job and get hired. Okay, so who am I? Like I worked with them. I was part of Roc8, and I'm also now I got job from Roc8. To be frank, they help me a lot. So let me just clear some of your doubts. Which I mean, these questions are getting in my Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and everywhere. So that I just want to answer it once, and I want to clear all of your doubts. Okay, is Roc8 legit? Yes, it is 100% legit. It has a perfect website. It has a curriculum. It has people who actually uh, got some jobs, like 100% jobs, like really. If there are 20 people out of 20 got jobs. Okay, so yeah, it is 100% legit, and I got job from them. And Rocket is for whom? Rocket is for developers, mainly focused on front-end developers, mainly focused on React developers. So yeah, so if you're Angular or Vue.js, I think Rocket is not for you. My personal opinion, I don't know. You can just query them. But to be frank, there people there work with React.js, Next.js mostly. So yeah, Next.js is like basically or React, right? So React, yeah, they work with React. Um, yeah, they need to be full stack. Yes, they need to be full stack, but you need not write the complete backend. Like you can use Firebase or um, Firebase or Superbase, like AWS or whatever to run your backend. You need not code them, but if you code them, that's a plus point. Like what is your experience with Rocket? My experience with Rocket is 10 out of 10. There is no doubt in that because the community is good, the people there are good, the mentors are good, everything is well organized. First thing, it's mainly organized. Like there you get chance to meet the alumni, like like-minded people you get to meet. So yeah, everything goes over Discord there. Yes, only on Discord. Will they teach me how to code? No. Straight answer is no, big no. Because this is a platform, this is not a teaching platform, this is the hiring platform. Okay, you get hired if you can apply this. Okay, like you apply to the project, I mean, you apply to this with your project submissions, and that's all. They don't necessarily teach you how to code. You should know how to code and you should make these projects and submit those projects. Like currently they're accepting 5 projects and 3 blog posts. Yeah, this including 3 blog posts. So they won't teach you how to code. Yeah, but that brings to me a point like it you like when you solve, I mean, when you solve this, not solving, when you get through this passing everything applying application process, when you get to the Discord server, they'll be helping you like to solve resolve some doubts and optimizing the code. People, that's okay, I think you get the point, right? It's not for the beginners. Like you should know how to code before you apply for Rocket. Is it for beginners who are just getting started with web dev? No, it's not, because I told you right now, you need some projects to get in at least. The minimum criteria is 5 projects and 3 blog posts. So um, you need to know how to code, and also you should be able to make some good projects and really good projects. Like I'll talk like what projects and what are the projects. So is it for beginners? Absolutely not. You should try learning from YouTube or Udemy or wherever. And like there's also a NeoG camp that is being hosted by Tanay Pratap, like who is also a member. Yeah, Tanay Pratap, who is also a member in this team. Like he has this what do we say, the teaching platform where they teach coding, web dev coding, and level 0 and level 1 stuff. Like I think at least level 0 is free to learn, and I think level 1 you need to pay a bit. I'm not sure with that. So yeah, there are many ways you can learn web dev. So yeah, you that's not for beginners, that's for sure. What's the mode of communication? I don't know what is the mode, but what do you mean by the mode of communication? But let me answer it in the possible way. So mode of communication is video calls and voice calls. That's also we have a Discord channel where all the students are added, and the mentors conduct small events. And what do they do? What we do? Yeah, we talk about text. Like the mode of communication is Discord. Like platform which we use is Discord. So the mode of communication, like we use video or audio, right, depending on the need. Who runs this? Yeah. So just now, as I told you, Swapnil and Tanay Pratap both combinedly runs this, and like in the last month, or I think last 15 days before, two people were hired, new ones, not sorry, not hired, like they joined Roc8 to as mentors, and I think I don't know, I'm not sure about that, but these are the two core people. Like currently, they are supporting this pillar. They're the pillars of this Roc8 careers, and yes, is job a sure thing? Uh, yes, is job a sure thing? Yes, it is a sure thing, provided you give your 100%. Like everywhere, that nothing comes for free, right? Here, the cost is your hard work. So, is job a sure thing? Yes, but provided you do your hard work at your best. Like Rocket helps you get an interview, but it never cannot recommend you to recommend you to a company like, hey guys, give him a job because he's our member. No, this won't happen. They'll just make you they'll just provide you a platform where you will be pushed to get into interviews. That's all. They'll provide you interviews, and that's all. You need to crack the interviews by yourself. No one will be carrying your hand and spoon feeding there. What is the average package that I can expect? Like expect from what I don't know, but expect like I think regarding anything in the community itself. I think so. I don't know. Like let me just search for average front-end developer salary in India. Let's search this, okay? It's 5 lakh Mumbai and Maharashtra. So it's an average of five, okay, five-ish, okay, lakhs, five-ish lakhs. As you can see in Bangalore, Mumbai, Haryana, and all, like, it depends. Like, so let us assume it's 5 lakhs and average salary is 5 lakhs in India, and believe me, it is above average. You will get initial salary. I cannot quote the numbers, but okay, the salaries are higher than the average salary of an Indian average Indian front end developer. If you have skills of backend, come on, that's all. You'll get a good package, that's for sure. Is it for React devs only? Yes. Yes, it is 100% for React only, but you're not only constrained to React. If you can have all, you can also have some better skills in Flutter and Node.js, like the backend. If you know backend, like that's a plus point, right? So hiring managers will see that this guy knows front end and also some backend, so let's hire him. That is how it runs. But to get into Rocket, I think you don't need too much of backend stuff. It is only for React devs. Yes, it is only for React devs. I am designer. Can I join this? No, unless you know how to code, unless you know how to convert those mockups into real code, you cannot. Because if you're, I think this question may be like, is this for UI UX? No, if that is the question, like, it's not for UI UX developers. It is only for React developers. So designers cannot join Rocket, like provided they have this, like they should have some React knowledge and 5 projects and blog posts in React as a full stack, and then you're indirectly a front end dev. So designing skills is a plus. That's all. So is Rocket free? Yes, it is free. Yeah. See, yeah, true. It's free. I think at first initial days I thought it is too good to be free. I didn't believe, but I thought, what am I losing? Let's give it a shot. And that shot was worth it. And you just remove whatever it is in your mind. Like people say that it's not legit because how can they do it for free? They are doing it for free. Yeah. So the point is, not everything you see over internet is true. Okay, so you do your own research. Like as I'm telling you, it's free. Yes, it's free. It's not a scam. Like the next question is that, if free, is it not a scam or something not right? Because seems to, yeah, that's what actually. It's true, and Rocket is free because their main motto is to change the way the hiring is being done in India. Because you need to go and pass this DSA even for a front end dev. I myself did not use this DSA, like this Caster's algorithm or whatever pathfinding algorithm, or D dynamic programming questions. I didn't solve them. All I do is dot sort, dot push, dot pop, dot delete. This is what I do as being a JavaScript developer. So they just want to change this. That's all. Where do you work now? And did Rocket provide the job? I work at this flash tech company. Okay, I work at this flash tech company, and yes, Rocket made me get that interview. So yes, I got through it. I got this job via Rocket. What are the prerequisites for joining Roc8? Prerequisites for joining Roc8 is again 5 projects. Okay, and 3 blog posts. Yes. So now my like you may get a question like query. Um, what kind of projects should these projects look like? Okay, because here we have a link saying that like these projects like. Let me just summarize this for you because I read this when I was applying and everything. See, as I told you, yeah, see, this is what it's telling. As a full stack apps are required, no, you can use Hasura, so Amplify and Firebase and Superbase or whatever, AWS, to make this app dynamic, completely dynamic. By dynamic, I don't mean like it's not static. It shouldn't be static, like the web. It shouldn't be a web page. It should be a web app. You should know the difference. Like if you're watching this video, web app. Okay, see, that's what you're telling. It's a web app they need. Okay, and what are the minimum requirements? Like for example, say if you're building an e-commerce, that should contain adding to cart, removing from the cart, and add to wish list, remove from wish list, my orders, my payments, payment integrations, Stripe integration, or if you're in India, like Razorpay integration. Now like there's some payment gateway, and like if you're building a social media app like Twitter or Facebook, for example, given it, but I don't need to build like Twitter, Facebook, but the basic functionalities like liking, commenting, sharing, uploading pictures, uploading videos, and chats like using WebSockets. This should go with the social media app and something like booking systems. Like if you go for booking system, the scheduling of dates, the types of users and users authorizations and all. Messaging app, yes, that's come. Like you get the point, right? If you're going to say it's a music app, it should be able to play. Not it should not only be able to play and pause a song. So you should have a playlist. You should make some recommendations. You should add to you should try to make something new out of your project. Like let that not be a stale one. Okay, so I think this is overall point of the overall answers of for these questions. Okay, and to be frank, static websites don't get you through Rocket. Static sites, static things don't get you through Rocket. That is for sure, I can tell you. um so rest assured, like these are Rocket is legit. You should absolutely try it if you really want to get into this web dev career and you're just looking at the jobs. And if you just got out of college, that's okay. Even if you're not, that's okay. Because to be frank, I don't have a degree, but still I have a job. So that is how this currently this development and technology is going. Like this is what they want to change. Like even a guy without a degree can do the job like I'm doing right now. So what else is there? That's all I think. So that is it for this video. If you still have any questions, you can leave the comments. Okay, no, I'll try to answer them. Okay, and then that's all. Bye bye. And we should all be thankful for Swapnil and Tanay for doing this. That's all. Bye bye.